FlashFilm Academy's 2023 NAB coverage is brought to you by FlashFilm Academy. Be inspired, be creative, be profitable. Download our app today to get your free 3-day trial.
I'm good can I get in the back with her? You get in the front then. Today we're going to talk about your products. Let me ask you one question first, because I always say the name wrong.
Okay.
How do you pronounce the name?
志云.
Jinyun?
Actually, it's 志云. I think it's hard for American people to pronounce it because it's originally Chinese. Yeah, the same pronunciation.
So that's the part I usually get wrong, but I just want to make sure we have it on tape with the correct term is.
But even if I name it right here for you guys, like it's difficult for you to imitate, to pronounce it right. Yeah.
Well, let's start with the products you have for us today. The new products.
The latest, we have the latest cope light here. The cope continuous lighting, and one is G60 and one is X100.
Okay, so 60 watt and 100 watt, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they are in a very small size, as you can see here. And this one, G60, won, the video maker best of NAB show. Yeah.
So how do you power these? Are they powered from a bank or battery or?
Wow, for this one, it's G60. It can be powered by the, let's see, it's a USB-C port here, so you can power it by the USB-C cable or the DC.
Okay.
So I didn't bring the DC here, AC adapter, yeah. And so if you have a very powerful power bank, it can be powered by power bank, and you can use it like max 100%. Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
What about it? What about accessories? And what type of accessories you come with it?
Yes, the accessories like this mini reflector here, like with the soft, the diffusion clip-on, and also this one mini softbox. They are all ZY mount. It's from Ziyun.
Okay.
Yeah, they are all compatible with the lights. Like this bigger one, the smaller one, and the mini softbox. And if you want to mount like the bigger burn mount softbox, you can use just a burn mount adapter. Yeah, it's alright.
Okay, and last but not least, what about pricing and availability?
It comes with different kits actually. Okay. Like for this G60, the standard kit will be $199 USD. Yeah, and the combo kit $249.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the 100 watt?
The 100 watt, well, it's very complicated because there are 3 packages for the X100. So yeah, I would just suggest when you buy it, you will check online, and so you will check like what accessories within the combo or within the package, right? Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you for your time today.
Yeah,
appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like content like this, click the link on the screen and go over to flashfilmacademy.com. We have a membership that will give you access to 300 plus hours of content designed to help you grow your business. That's all we talk about. Click that link, start your trial. We even have premium courses, contracts, and templates, all for the business side of this industry. You can go somewhere else to learn how to take pretty pictures, but when you're ready to get that bag, when you're ready to do this for a living, that's where FlashFilm Academy comes into play. All right, see you in the next video.